How to download courses on Whop. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can download courses on Whop. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in into the whop.com. So once you're logged in here, you can only download the courses if the author or the creator have enabled the download option. Whoop itself does not provide a universal download button. It depends upon the creators to enable the downloads. If the creator has activated the download option, you will find a download link or icon next to the video or the course that you want to download. So all you have to do is click on download and then save the video in the MP4 format. And also some creators includes downloadable videos in the resource tab of the course. You could also check it out there. But in case if you don't see the download option, you have to reach out to the creators. You can message the creators via Discord, community, chat, or email and be polite and ask for the offline access for their content. And you could ask for their download links if available, and they may grant you permissions or enable a link for you. So that will be the best workaround to download the courses from Whop. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.